Enhance your garden's aesthetic with our flexible graphite garden edging border, crafted from high-quality recycled plastic for durability. Separate your lawn elegantly with a 10 meters length and 40 millimeters height, making maintenance a breeze by keeping grass neatly edged from other surfaces. Add style and versatility to your outdoor space with the graphite finish that complements any garden setting, bringing a polished and organized look to paths, driveways, borders, and lawns. Experience hassle-free installation with 20 hold-down pegs included. Simply place the edging in soft soil for a quick setup. The smooth finish ensures easy maintenance, keeping your garden looking with minimal effort. Unleash your creativity with the adaptable design that allows you to shape curves and circles effortlessly, blending seamlessly into any garden layout, no matter how intricate or unconventional.